like to feature Ryan on a song. And this is one actually he and I wrote with some other folks, and it's become very popular for him out on the road. It's a beautiful gospel song. Cotton Carrier, one of my mentors, was one of the other writers. Tell us what it's called.
The song's called Someone Greater Than I. Someone greater than I, someone greater than I, someone somewhere really loves us, someone greater than I. Every time I gaze around me, then I realize someone knew what he was doing when he made the skies. Morning sun and moon of evening, every star on high, all were made by some wise person, someone greater than I. Someone greater than I, someone greater than I, all were made by some wise person, someone greater than I. This old earth and all her creatures, even you and I, all belong to someone somewhere, someone greater than I. Every fish that swims the ocean, all the birds that fly, they are guided by somebody, someone greater than I. Mountains, valleys, rivers, oceans, every grain of sand, pretty flowers, cooling showers, all are from his hand. There's a rose for every garden. Do you wonder why? Someone somewhere really loves us, someone greater than I. Someone greater than I, someone greater than I. Someone somewhere really loves us, someone greater than I. Someone somewhere really loves us, someone greater than I.
Thank you, Ryan, for being with me tonight. Friends, visit Ryan Anthony Stinson on Facebook, Ryan Anthony Stinson Music. Visit randallfranks.com. Get the latest from me, whether it's a book or a CD. Love to have you come by. Till next time, we'll see you on Appalachian Sounds.
Little smile in your life.